YouTube because I hadn't gone live yet. Good morning, good morning. It is Wednesday. Ooh, we're getting a push up here. Wednesday, May 31st, the last day of the month is today. Let me share this with folks in the group. Let me share this here. Good morning, good morning. It is Wednesday. It's 9:34 a.m. So the market just opened. I am a few minutes late. I had a call that just came through. Hi, Roland. How are you? That I had to take. I don't have Santa up, but I was thinking about turning it on, or we can start watching the fire one that I had yesterday. I was really excited about. We'll see what comes of that. I feel like I am now running so many things. I need to narrow it down so I don't have so many things to focus on. Yesterday's stream was awesome. Jen went live yesterday afternoon, and within that hour, she made roughly $1,200 on the algorithm on Santa. I'm going to pull Santa up right now because I think it could give us some nice action this morning. And I haven't ran it in so long, I kind of miss it. So I'm going to add it to this chart. Let me add Santa here, and then I'm going to pull it up for you guys. If you have any questions in the meantime, just let me know. If you're new here, I go live every day, Monday through Friday, 9:30 to 10:30 a.m. Jen goes live every day from 2 to 3 p.m. on TikTok only. And all right, I have scalper set up now, so it will start trading here in a minute. So yeah. Oh, eggs already hit NQ early, already hit target. Look at this. We already hit target on NQ. Let's see if we can push back up. I got to turn the volume back on this. I was on a call. Somebody had just called and had some information they needed to tell me, so I had to take that call. Oil's in a long, and Q is in a long. There is so much happening right now. Yeah. Yeah, I hate crypto, so definitely not crypto. Hey, Magnus, how are you?
Order canceled.
Good morning. Order canceled. Okay. We have Santa up right here, so we'll see what happens. Santa is about to take a trade or not. Overnight, we are green on both gold setups. So gold is 2 for 2 overnight. I can show you that up here. So we had one trade here not too long ago, and then we had one trade. Where's my other trade? Where's my other trade? Well, oh, here it is. The other trade was all the way back here at 3 in the morning. So we're up around $600 on gold. Oil did have 2 losses last night, so we're about break even between gold and oil. And then NQ just hit TP1. Let's see if we're going to hit TP2 here on NQ early. I do hate crypto. Crypto is not my friend. I don't know, I just feel like it's so unregulated and so kind of creepy. Oh, here we go. Let's hit TP2. Watch. Just watch.
Order canceled.
Oh, no, you just gotta come back up a little higher. If you want more information on my auto trading algorithm, you can just email me at boldbotllc@gmail.com. Again, we go live twice per day, every day, Monday through Friday, 9:30 to 10:30 in the morning, which is right now, and then at 2 to 3 p.m. It's the Wild West for sure. I like that. All right, now let's do it. You ready? So this was the first target. See this little pink arrow? Now we got to get the second target. Push. A little more, just a little higher. Here we go. Keep watching. You're going to see another pink arrow show up.
Target filled.
There we go. Both targets hit for NQ early. Let's go. We love it.
Order submitted.
We love it. This is not a stock. I only trade futures. This is the NASDAQ on the futures market. If you want more information, please hit me up. My email is boltbotllc@gmail.com. I go live every single day from 9:30 to 10:30 and also 2 to 3 p.m. Jen goes live. We trade futures, so really most of the main futures, the NASDAQ, the S&P 500, the Dow, the Russell, oil, gold, natural gas, silver, all of those can be traded on my auto trading algorithm. Hey, what's up? And it does everything for us. So again, made $600 while I was sleeping on gold, just made $200 right here on the NASDAQ. Did lose on oil overnight, but it's okay because oil made $1,250 last week. So, you know, it's not a race. It's a journey.
Order submitted.
I have the hiccups. I have to drink my tea. Hold on. My tea has been sitting on the kettle for me for like the last 45 minutes.
Order canceled.
But thankfully, it is
Order
still...
submitted.
Cold game, it's best that you follow it because for right now, yeah. If the other account doesn't get restored, then this is going to be it. So
Order submitted.
This is the account we've been going live with since last week. This is Bold Line. This is one of the ones I'm testing. I showed this a bunch yesterday. It is red overnight, but let's see what it does this morning. Almost at target here.
Order canceled.
Yes, tune in. Hey, Mike. Good morning. Hi, Jen. Good morning. So this gray box, if you see that on my chart, that is the chop zone. The chop zone is an area that I give my members every single morning. Yes, Matt, it should. Awesome, Jen. Thank you for sharing that. I'm going to share that in the announcements as well. Hi, Kevin. Good morning. Jen, we had like 178 at first. I didn't know what to do with it. Hi, Steven. How are you? Jen, do you have those written out somewhere, like the little blurbs that you paste? Can you send them to me in a direct message so I can save them on my laptop? Because like yesterday, when I was watching your live stream, I wanted to be able to just copy and paste those things in there, but I didn't have them pre-written. So then I just had to like randomly think about what you say and I just typed it out. But if you have those saved somewhere and you could just send me those little blurbs, that would be super helpful. And then I can just copy and paste them when you're live. Let's look. People are already posting the results channel. Oh my gosh. I'm going to have to minimize this because... Hold on. I want to show you guys this. So Sheldon already posted in the results channel. This is 9:41 a.m. And keeping you on all targets for the evaluation. Tomorrow I start a new funded account. Oh, today's the last day for the Apex 80% sale. So please make sure if you want to take advantage of that, you take advantage of that today. It ends tonight. Good job, Sheldon. Amber has made $55,000 on the month. This is May 1st through May 31st. $55,000 on the month. Cold game, that would be... I don't know, like $200. Typically, I charge like $300 to $500 an hour. No joke. I was talking about that yesterday. Look at all of Amber's trades today. She made $55,000 on the month.
Order submitted.
They said that yesterday. It was just like a website thing. Is it still acting up today? Because that's odd. It shouldn't. Like, you know, why is that still happening kind of thing? Thanks for the likes. Let's see. What trades are we in right now? ES is in a long testing. ES and YM are both in longs. Bold line is not in anything right now. I'm going to maximize this again so it looks a little better. That's why this did that. I didn't realize that. All right, cool. If you guys have any questions, please put them in the chat. If you want more information about our auto trading algorithm, just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. Oh, Santa is in a trade. Santa is in a short. Let's go watch that because I know you guys love Santa. Jen was showing this strategy yesterday. This is Santa, the red and the green lines. This is one of our fun strategies, and the risk is very small. So you're risking $200 per trade, but it does trade quite a bit. So you have to be aware of that. If you're going to be 100% hands-off on Santa, just be aware that it can have some swings. I don't know, but Kenny made 21K yesterday, so you could just imagine.
Order filled.
Multiply that by 20 days, Jared. William said, yes, I'm 400 away from 2 account approvals. Tried to get 2 more. Nice. Yeah, I'm going to try to get on there as well later today. I don't have a student session today, which is unlike my schedule. Tom just said the CL
Order
alert.
submitted.
So I give manual alerts to my students, and the CL alert at 9:06 a.m. was good for $1,300. We also had a long on ES and a long on NQ. So this is what my alerts look like if anyone's interested. So this was the long on oil at 9:06 a.m. I got long at 67.61. Tom said that this long made $1,300. He took this long. This is a long on ES at 9:33 a.m. This is a long at NQ at 9:34 a.m. And then another long on ES
Order canceled.
a few minutes ago. So these manual alerts are only for my students. You have to have either taken my digital
Order
mentorship
canceled.
or my one-on-one coaching, because I am not I don't know, I don't
Order
believe
submitted.
in having folks manually trade that actually have no idea what they're doing, because it's just not safe, especially in futures. All right, where are we at? We are in the chop zone here on NQ. Oh, we had another trade here on bold line.
Order canceled.
So this is the one that
Order-
made
Order filled.
$2,500 yesterday. Like, it was insane. Overnight it didn't do that well, but this has just been tested for 1 day so far. So, we'll see how this starts to fare throughout the rest of the week
Order submitted.
and then into next week. But bold bars is still doing well. Obviously this is bold line is being tested with some other setups as well. Like I have a 10-minute one. So
Order submitted.
the 1 minute is actually green for 40, which is really nice. And the 10-minute green, 125 on the day. Those just started at 9 a.m. So this, it's gonna be on this one because of the thing, but this is the one that's $440 on the day so
Order
far, and it just started at 9 a.m. 9 a.m. 8 a.m. Something like that. $440. It's only taken 2 trades.
Order filled.
Nice. Did this one hit target?
Order canceled.
Alright, so this one just hit target again. So this one is now 3 for 3 as of this, 4 for 4
Order submitted.
since 9:37. Even since 9:34 it was, well, it's in another trade. 5 for 5. I want to see what it's done since the open. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 trades,
Order canceled.
8 trades, and it's been 7 for 8. It only had 1 loss. No, this is bold line. This is not
Order
Santa.
submitted.
This is a whole new algorithm, bold line, Line, and I'm really excited to roll it out. This one made $2,550 yesterday by 10 8. Like, I was on the live stream and it had made that much, maybe 10:15 in the morning. If you want more information on a fully automated trading software, just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. We're hitting a very important level. This is a level that I give my students every day. And this is where things really play out. If you have taken the mentorship and you know what to look for, you would know that if you were in a long here, to exit right at that area, because this is a really strong level of resistance. But that information is not given to people that are just using the algorithm. And that's fine. If you're just using the algorithm
Order
and,
filled.
you're just taking the law of averages and what typically happens anyway, then that totally makes sense. But if you want a slightly bigger edge, then you would also add the mentorship to that. Do you buy each bot? Nope. So you get all of the bots included. Okay, let me take that back. You don't get all of the bots included. 3 of the bots that I'm showing you on the live stream are being tested. I'll be very clear about which ones those are. So this is Wave, and I have pictures on them for that exact reason. Bold Wave is being tested, so that is not released yet. Bold Bars, this is Bars, this is being tested. This has not been released yet. This will be the first one released. and then bold line has not been released yet. But when you join the group, you get access to the algorithms that are live. So right now, which is the ones that we've been using for the past 3 years, you get bold range, which is the one that I just showed you right here with this blue box. It's 1 for 1 on NQ today, 2 for 2 on oil, and then, 2 for 2 on gold, and then oil is 0 for 2 on the day. And then, so green on range, and then you also get scalper after your first week, because scalper is a little more difficult to understand. So I'd like people to really just kind of get settled in first before they use scalper, and then it can do this. So this is scalper with the red and the green. Also, if you are a student, you get access to one other algorithm that is based off of the chop zone, which is this gray box that I was mentioning, because this chop zone is only given to students, so the chop zone algorithm is only given to students.
Order canceled.
Nice, Jay Hannah. Very exciting.
Order canceled.
So this is what can happen with Santa. Everybody says that they want to run scalper and they want Santa, but then it can have 4 back-to-back losses. So this is why I tell people when they're starting, and Tater Tot, I don't know if Tater Tot's on the live stream. I'm going to... This is why I tell some people to start slow. Like, don't just jump in feet first with Santa. Run it on simulation for a few days. See how it looks. See if you like it, and then go from there. Please tap that screen. Send some likes. It's super helpful for the stream. It brings more people in. Nice. Jason said he just passed his first evaluation. Nice job, Jason. Very cool. Bold line on oil is in a long. But this one actually got, it was pretty red overnight, which was sad, but it's trying to make its way back. That 1 minute's actually doing really well. And this one's coming back from overnight. This is 7 of 8 now. So $600 since the open. Right? Yeah, $600 since the open. So the algorithm is $500 for 21 days. It's a paid trial. And then it's $1,000 every month after that. I'm going to pull up the spreadsheet. I feel hungry today. I don't know why every morning I feel like I need to tell you guys about my hunger. 250. So far on the day, because even with the loss of oil, we're green $150 on the day. Yesterday we made $500, and then Monday was a holiday.
Submitted.
So we're green so far $600 on the week with the smallest sizing. Good morning, good morning. If you're new here, welcome to the stream. My name's Lauren. I trade futures on the futures market. I'm trying to see what's in a trade right now so I can show you guys. It's just, I have so many things. Like these are all the things. I have so many things. How many setups am I running? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I'm running 22 setups right now. Or maybe 23. It's a lot. Oh, welcome. So we go live 2 times a day showing you the auto trading algorithm. We go live in the morning, which is right now. Santa is in a long. You see how that stop loss just moved itself down? That's a guaranteed green trade here on Santa. I'm going to stretch this out so you can see it a little better. Here we go. Santa is catching this nice short. Again, it tried to do that a few times and it just got stopped. A stop loss on Santa is $200, and then this guaranteed offset is $75. You can move this stop loss down more if you want to, but you don't have to, because these 2 lines are trail stops. They know when to exit the trade, and they will do so when the parameters match for them to exit the trade. That or when it hits the offset right here. My sister should be signing up this week. I'm excited. Yay, William. That's super exciting. Yeah, another William in the group has his brother signing up this week, which is also very exciting. I have to find this email. Damn, look at Brian. Look, I think I'm going to call it a day. Look, Two over $2,000 on each account. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 20 accounts, $40,000 on the day. So if you join the group, you get all the information to the auto trading algorithm. We are still in this short on Santa. Green, $185. I should be able to possibly start in a week. Yeah, Marv, didn't you say that last week, Marv? Let's go. You are missing out on all the action, my bud. So let's see if we can get a continued drop here out of the chop zone. Would be really nice.
Order submitted.
Talked about this on the student call this morning. Got to be patient. Wait for your setups to come to you and then trade after that. Money, blah. My brother from another mother wants to sign up when he gets some startup money. That's awesome. Good for him. Well, I am excited and happy to have all of you in the group, obviously.
Order canceled.
All right, so Santa took profit there. It's still red on the day, but
order submitted.
Not much. Dillionaire, just email me for more information. boldbotllc@gmail.com. Joey said he's finishing his setup today so he can start tomorrow. Awesome. Yes, Evie. Evie with the hype. Evie's my hype man. Okay. I love it. Again, we go live twice a day, so if you want to check us out later today, we will be live from 2 to 3 p.m. Jen will be live every day this week from 2 to 3 p.m. only on TikTok. I go live on TikTok and YouTube from 9:30 to 10:30, and she just goes live on... Oh, yeah, sorry. Whoa, I didn't see all these comments in YouTube. Can you take both teaching methods? Yes. So you could sign up for, Rob, that's a good question. So he's saying, can he take the mentorship and the one-on-one? You could start with the mentorship if you feel like you need more one-on-one hand-holding or attention, or, you just need more focus on the lessons, then yes, you can pay for the one-on-one coaching after the digital mentorship, and you only pay the difference in price. You're not going to pay for both services separately, if that makes sense. The one-on-one coaching is 5 one-hour sessions, and they can be done at whatever day and time is convenient for you. I don't do weekends. That's the only caveat. But I can do nights, I can do mornings, I can do afternoons. So yeah, we figure this out. Nope, so I'm not trading stocks or forex. These are futures on the futures market. This is the NASDAQ right here. I only trade futures. If you want more information, I have a fully automated algorithm that trades for me. Currently, we are up on the day, I don't know, what did I say, $150. We made $500 yesterday. We had 2 wins on gold today, a win on the NASDAQ, and then oil had 2 losses. So it's $500 for the first 21 days as a paid trial, and then it's $1,000 every month after that. I'll show you, if you want more information, just email me. I'll show you one of my members. You can also use a prop firm with the algorithm. So this is Apex. My man Brian made $40,000 today. Right? Like, it's crazy. 10 accounts down here each made over $2,000. 10 accounts up here made $2,000. Amber, this is Sheldon. He's done for the day. Amber made $55,000 on the month of May. $55,000. Santa is one of the strategies, Honda, London, Land. I tried to merge your 2 names together. Santa is a strategy. It's just a nickname. I like to give some of my strategies nicknames so they're easy to remember for my members. Because the NASDAQ is my favorite product, so it's going to have a lot of different strategies. So if I just say, oh, I'm running the NASDAQ, then people wouldn't know what I'm running. So saying I'm running Santa on Scalper, they know exactly what that strategy is. And then if they want to copy me and run the same thing that I'm running, they can do that. Thanks, Jen. Perfect. I know if you write out the whole email that I think TT blocks it or just doesn't allow you, that message won't show up. But it's good that you put @Gmail and it still works. And I do have Canadian clients. So I have Canadian clients. You cannot have a cash account with NinjaTrader if you're in Canada. That's like one of the only countries. Yes, it's the land of Hondas here. Oh, Jen, it says your thing is under review. That's so weird. What? I'm trying to pin it. I don't know. That's weird. This is not trading advice. This is not trading. I'm hungry. I want to see this short happen. Let's get out of the chop zone. This short could be fire. It's not letting us live, okay? Come on. There we go. Come on. 72. There we go.
Order
there we
filled.
go.
Order filled. Order submitted.
Let's go.
Order
Let's go.
filled.
Let's go. Was there a report at 10 o'clock? It is 10 o'clock on the dot. Good morning, Lauren. I passed 3 accounts. Yay, George. So Apex is doing an 80% sale. I need to talk about this a little more because there are folks in the chat that don't know about Apex, and today's the last day to get the Apex 80% off sale. So Marv, I'm not sure. You could also just use Apex. You don't have to use cash. $36 for a $50,000 account. You pass the evaluation. They allow you to trade with $50,000 of cash. No, Rob, that's not correct. Let me break this out. The digital mentorship is a one-time fee of $1,200. One-on-one coaching is $3,000. But you would only pay the difference in price. If you did the mentorship and then you wanted to do the coaching, you would just pay the difference in price. Amber said I may buy 10 more accounts. So the limit on 20 accounts is only for the funded accounts. So I didn't realize that, like, you could have 10 funded accounts and then 20 more in, like, you know, in testing, and then, like, say, like 10 get bust or whatever. And then the algorithm is totally separate from the mentorship. So the algorithm is $500 for 21 days, which is a trial period, and then $1,000 every month to lease the algorithms. And remember, we have several algorithms, so it's not just one.
Order submitted.
This is NinjaTrader. In any NinjaTrader chart, you can add a background image. So that's what I've done. We're in a long here on the NASDAQ. This is on Bold Line. This is the one that made $2,600 yesterday. Today, it's
order canceled.
7 for 9 so far since the open.
Order submitted.
So about $500 in profit since the open, so 30 minutes. Thanks for the likes, Roland. If you want more information, just email me. My email is bold. Oh, yeah, I'll explain Apex again. So Apex is a prop firm.
Order
Yay,
filled.
Franco, that's so exciting. All right, let me pull up the website. ApexTraderFunding.com. Why is it taking so long? Oh, their website's kind of
Order
taking a while.
submitted.
What's the link to Trader Funding? Yes, ApexTraderFunding.com. When will I release Bold Line? That's a good question. I'll release Bold Line probably in 2 to 3 weeks. Just depends. Yeah, Apex does seem like it's slacking. But Apex, the process of Apex, which works with pretty much all prop firms. So like Lilu is a prop firm. UProfit is a prop firm. OneProfit. There's a lot of different companies that do the same model where you sign up for an account. So right now it's $36. It's $36 for a $50,000 account. Are we in a long here? So you sign up for a $50,000 account for $36. You pay $36 out of your pocket. If you lose money, you don't owe them anything.
Order canceled.
That's the beauty of it. You are not risking anything. The only thing that you're out is your $36 that you paid for the subscription, essentially. But you pay the $36. If you do well and you pass the evaluation, you then get a fully funded account to trade with, a cash account of $50,000. Now, you can't access that cash at any time. Like, you can't take the cash out. It's not your cash, but you can use it to trade with. So it's essentially your cash in the sense that you're trading with an account size that is that of somebody with a $50,000 cash account. It's $36 right now with the coupon code SAVE80. Yeah, I don't know what's going on with their website. They had a website issue yesterday too, so hopefully they're fixing it. They just sent out a text message promoting the last day of the sale, so I was surprised to hear or see that the website is being funky again. But take note of the website. They should probably have it fixed shortly. Maybe a bunch of people are, yeah, it says the server's down. So, but that is the website. They're a really good company. Whenever they have issues, they always take care of their people. Like, there's been an issue before where the system, silver's in a $400 long. And ES is in a $250. Hold on, let's go to ES Wave. I got to get this pulled up. Hold on, give me 1 second. I want to put it on the... Here we go. All right. Bold Wave, ES. So ES is red overnight, but let's see what it does here at the open. It's green in this short for $265. Right, I know. We make it so popular that they can't handle all the business. Literally everybody in my group uses Apex, and they all have like 5, 10, 20 accounts. It's insane. And I don't even use a referral code with them. Like, I don't have a referral program because I would probably be doing really well with any type of affiliate with them. What was I going to look up here? Oh, no, I think I'm done with this. I think I'm getting rid of this. Isn't that crazy? Bullbot people logging on to get accounts, right? All right, let's see if we can move down here. Is Santa in this short? Santa is not in this short. But yeah, so anyway, the way Apex works is once you pass that funded account, then you have $50,000 to trade with. Now, there are still rules on the $50,000 once you're funded. You have to be careful. So, yes, the algorithm only runs on NinjaTrader, 100%. But if you take the mentorship and you're manually trading, you can do that on any platform that you prefer, Rob. Kyle, that's so funny. Oh, they sent you an email for server maintenance? Okay, Daniel, sounds good.
Order filled.
So the algorithm only works in NinjaTrader, the only platform. So you have to use NinjaTrader. ES is green 300 and something on this short now. 337 on this short on ES. So this is Bold Wave. It's being tested. Oh, so the rules, it's on their website, Emma, so you should just check it out or go watch some YouTube videos about Apex. But it depends on the account that you choose. It's really just a trailing drawdown. So that's like the main rule. You just can't. So like if you start with $50,000, oh my gosh, silver is in a $600 long on
Order
Wave.
filled. Order submitted.
That's crazy.
Order canceled.
Sorry, I'm getting distracted today. So the rules are like, if you have a $50,000 account, you can't lose $2,500. That's the rule. And that's only until you get over the profit factor of 53,000. So once you get over, so once your $50,000 account is then at 53,000, you no longer have that rule, but then you can't ever go under $50,000 after that point because the company is essentially protecting their money. I know, Amber. Tap that screen. Just go, Amber, do some tapping. Tap, 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 tap. Tap, tap, tap. Yo, we're leaving the chop zone. This is an easy, easy short. Silver is green, $600 on this long. I'm just like, what?
Order
ES
submitted.
is in this short, but it was red overnight. The overnight action was just choppy as hell, like super choppy. Nothing was really green overnight, honestly. I think I had one setup. Oh yeah, gold. Gold was the only thing green overnight. Like last night was red on all strategies and all setups, essentially. So if you ran something overnight last night or you tried to manually trade, it probably wasn't the best. It is 10:10. Again, we go live until 10:30, and then we go live again at 2 p.m. today. So make sure you follow us on TikTok. It's live_boldbot for all of you folks on YouTube. Did I not change this? Oh, I'm the worst. All right. Green 350 on this ES short. I tapped to the max.
Submitted.
Thank you. Now do it again, Dan. Oh my God, William. No joke. I was doing that the other day. William said, since having BoldBot, I suffer from searching yachts for sale. No joke. I'm not looking for a yacht for sale. Absolutely not. But I was randomly looking at yachts, and now on my TikTok, I'm like following yacht accounts. It's insane. So this one, it was beautiful, like beautiful, beautiful. I think it's called Loon. Yeah, Loon. It's a beautiful boat. So in the comments, somebody's like, yeah, but it's $100,000 for a week. And I was like, oh gosh. But I'm like, well, let me look it up. That's not like crazy. If you take a few families, whatever. So then I look it up. Yeah, no, it's $350,000 per week. 350,000. Jeremy said I've been looking up Lamborghinis also. Jason bought a boat. Congrats, Jason.
Order submitted.
Can you? I'm like, yeah, no, way too much. Like, okay, $100,000. I was thinking about it. $350,000 for 1 week. No, thank you. It's not going to be for me. Oh, y'all, Scalper's in a trade here, and I'm missing it. Where is Scalper? Here we go. Santa is green on this short, $220. Let's see if we can get a nice drop here. This is what we've been waiting for this morning. Let's go. Tap that screen. Give some thumbs up. You don't have to know anything to pass the evaluation on Apex if you're using the algorithm. You just have to know to turn on the algorithm, and then you just have to know kind of what your risk is. So you can't be taking a trade that's risking $3,000 because your drawdown is $2,500, if that makes sense. But again, Rob, all of that is covered in the group.
Order submitted.
So as soon as you sign up, go to the Apex website. Today is the last day for the sale. 80% off. Use the coupon code SAVE80. Once you get your Apex accounts, then head over to my email that I sent you. Click on the trial link. Pay the $500. And then you'll be added to Slack. Slack is where all of my members hang out. That is what I was showing you here. How Amber's made $55,000 on the month. We have 198 members in the group. Oh, what's that? Oh, yeah, definitely. I would call Apex Daniel. That's weird. But yeah, so then you join the group. You get your welcome message from Amy. You set everything up. Irma checks your charts. She checks your settings. And then you're good to go. Dave said, man, it might get back down from the box of range to run again. Dave, it gave us our opportunity, Dave. It came all the way back, Dave, right to the LIS. This is a beauty for my students. They're already short at 71. We're now at 35. That's 35 points. $700 per mini. You should be in profit here if you're one of my students. Absolutely no excuse. So if you're one of my students, you're green at least $700 on the day so far. That's how easy it is. Look at Roderick. Look at Roderick. Like, OMG. Jeez. These Apex accounts are getting out of hand. Listen, y'all are crazy, okay? You guys are making like $20,000 in a day. He said the streets were paved with gold and oil today. Yeah, anytime, Rob, for sure. So we're in this short for $500, fully automated. This is all done for me. Should someone just starting out get more than one Apex account? You don't have to. You could buy 2 or 3 and then just use one at a time. Just because you buy 5 today or 2 or 3, you don't have to use them right away. I hope that answers your question, Charlie. We are in a $600 short on Santa here. This is a trailing stop. These thin lines behind the trade is a trailing stop. So I do not have to worry if the market turns around that I'm not going to make enough money. It's going to make sure it takes me out of the trade when it's supposed to. Also, I could take this stop loss and move it down if I wanted to. I'm not going to do that, but I could do that. So if you are using the algorithm, if you are a member of the group and you're running Santa, you could physically intervene if you wanted to without fully exiting the trade. You could intervene and get some more of this move by saying, you know what, I'm going to move my stop loss down. Enma, you cannot do that. They have rules about that, and they will see that very easily on their end, and they will cancel your subscription, and they won't let you use Apex again. Excuse me for 1 second. I have to blow it. All right, I'm back. We're green. Still 600 on this. Can you do positions 1 take profit earlier and 1 rides? Mama's Boy. So there's no take profit on Santa, but you could do that by having 2 contracts short, and then you manually put in a sell order down here for one of them. But that's much more advanced. That would be something that my students would do. I wouldn't expect that of just an Algo member. All right, so do you see how it took me out of that trade? It knew what it was doing. I was, hawking up my lungs in the bathroom, and it took profit. So I don't need to be present for these trades to happen. I don't need to be present to make money. That's the entire point of the auto trading algorithm. It is automatically trading for me, and I can be doing literally anything else. All right, what else is going on? Let's see. ES is still in that short, now $600. Let's go back to this ES wave. Oops, there we go. Let's stretch that out and we can move this down a little bit. So this is on bold wave. This is one of the ones in testing. YouTube is down? No, it wasn't down, 3-leg. I just put it on mute because I was sucking the life out of my... I had a cold this weekend, and so it's still kind of lingering, and it's just like disgusting when I feel like I'm making sounds like that, when I'm like sucking up my nose. But yeah, thank you for letting me know. So I put my microphone on mute, but I can't put TikTok on mute. All right, make sure you tap that screen. We're green, 550 on this ES short. Oil's in a long, $20. What else? Silver is still in that long for $450. Let's go ES. Kenny made $11,000 this morning. Kenny has been with me since early 2020. He took my digital mentorship. I taught him how to trade. He made $21,000 yesterday. He made $11,000 this morning. Hope you get better soon. I missed the live on Friday. Yeah, I really was not feeling good on Friday. And then Saturday was even worse. But thank you for sending well wishes. I'm sure I'm going to get better. I forgot to take the emergency yesterday. I said I was going to take it when I got off the stream, and I didn't. So I will take that today. And I'm not going to be doing anything crazy, strenuous. And I don't have a student session today, so I can kind of just, I need to run a few errands. And then Jen will be live at 2 o'clock, so I'd love to see that. It's the end of the month. We usually get some nice action in the afternoon, so make sure you join Jen this afternoon. Jen just posted the information for the mentorship on the screen. Still in this ES short for $600. This ES bold wave made $3,000 alone on Friday. I'm going to pull it up now in my spreadsheet because sometimes I get my numbers slightly off. But it made $3,050 on Friday. Last week on Bold Wave ES, it made $6,352. Look at this. It is trailing the trade down as it moves. Green $725 here on this ES short. With one contract. This is just one contract. Imagine if you had two. That's $1,400. Like, that's insane. All right, we gotta give some emojis to our friends in the chat. Let's send some dollar signs, some fire, some eggs, some bacon. Where's the bacon emoji? Bacon,
Order
party
submitted.
time, all
Order
of that.
submitted.
I want my eggs and bacon to always show up. I need to use them more often.
Order submitted.
All right. Santa is trying to take a long here. Oops.
Order filled.
So is line. Not really working out. The short is strong. Stick with the
Order
trend, my
submitted.
friends. Nice job, Jimmy. Super proud of you. It's funny because in 2020, when everyone was at home, it was so much easier to just like be doing personal things on your computer. Nice, William. He just got approved for his 25,000. Oh. Let's go. Early's in a short. Let's look at that. Oh, TP1 already hit, Mike. See how slow I am? So this is early. This is on range. Again, this is one of the algorithms that you get immediately when you join. So I've never used the trade copier, but a lot of people in the group do, especially if you have multiple accounts. How long before you can withdraw? So you have to be live. So the fastest amount of days it
Order
can take for you to
canceled.
be live would be 7. So that's going to be 1 week. And then you can withdraw twice per month. I think it's the 15th of the month and then the last day of the month. So if you started today, you probably wouldn't be able to withdraw until the end of June because you would have at least 1 week of passing evaluation. And then, well, no, then you could withdraw the 15th of June. Yeah, you could withdraw the 15th of June as long as you have, money to withdraw. Yeah. So actually you could. I don't know why I said that. Because somebody actually asked me this last night and I was thinking about it. Yeah, no. So you can withdraw twice per month. So as long as, if you signed up on like the 13th of the month and then you don't pass until the 20th, and then you have to make cash in the funded account, then you would have to wait until the end of the month withdraw. But they allow 2 withdrawals per month, but you have to obviously be funded first. Kyle, am I wrong? Right? Let me know. I'm not totally sure. Apex is a great tool, but I don't use it probably as much as I should. Please correct me in the chat if I am wrong. Kyle, all you put was no, so it's kind of confusing. Oh, you have to trade for 10 days after you have a funded account to withdraw. Okay, so it would probably be like a month. So 7 days for your evaluation minimum, then 10 days trading, so that's 2 more weeks. So roughly 3 to 4 weeks before you would be able to make a withdrawal.
Order filled.
The withdrawals are the 1st to the 5th, and then the 20th to the 25th. So you can withdraw within those days. Is that what you're saying? You probably want to make sure you have a cushion as well. Absolutely, Dave. That's the biggest thing. So I wouldn't expect to take a withdrawal until at least a month or 6 weeks, because you want to have enough cushion that then, okay, you just withdrew $500 for yourself, but now
Order submitted.
your account is so tight and you have to be so careful that you don't bust your funded account. You know what I mean? And then you have to start back over. All right, so you can withdraw between the 1st and the 5th and the 20th and the 25th. All right, let's go and hit that TP2 on early down here. Let's go. I want to see that second arrow. I want a second blue arrow right here. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. We're almost there. And then okay, so you have to trade 10 days. 10 days you have to trade after you pass your funded account. So you can't just make like 20K. There we go, on your first day and then withdraw that. So that makes sense. I have some 20. Yeah, the 50K is much easier. The 50K is always the one being recommended, Jeanette. The 50K Apex account is the one that folks should be using. Right, the first $25,000 you withdraw, there's no fee. Like, not fee, they're not taking a percentage. The first $25,000 you make, they are not taking a dime of that. After you make $25,000, then they take 10% of every profit, every dollar that you make. All right, we are now green, $500 on the day, just on this strategy alone. Just on this strategy, $500. This is called eggs for anyone that's not in the group, because it's early and it gets us started. Double eggs today. So we are green $600 overnight from gold. We're now green $500 on the day for the NASDAQ. That's $1,100. And then oil had a $700 loss. So we are green $400 on the day, even with the loss. Yes, Tom, the Algo. Eggs are 2 for 2 this morning. Let's go. Oh, yeah, probably Amber. You're probably right. I need to suck my nose again. All right, Kyle, thanks for telling me that. I'm going to write that down somewhere around here so we know. Jen, did you hear that too about the Apex stuff? Because I didn't know that before. So obviously we already know about the evaluation process, but then it's 10 trading days before you can take your first withdrawal. You can withdraw anytime between the 1st and the 5th, and then the 20th and the 25th. So the beginning of the month, and then essentially the end of the month. Hey, how are you? We've been great. We made over $7,000 last week. We made $500 yesterday, and we're green $400 today. We did not trade on Monday because of the holiday. We're 2 for 2 on NQ today, 2 for 2 on gold, and then oil is 0 for 2. Oh my gosh, we're still in this ES short for $900. Y'all, I forgot all about this trade. Hold on. I gotta get you guys this trade. $975 on this ES short. Fire. If you want more information, please email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. We have some really good things coming out. NQ morning play 1K.
Order submitted.
What? Oh, yes. You've made $1,000 on the morning play. Nice, because
order submitted.
He's one of my students. If you're a student, you easily should be green $700 to $1,000 on one trade this morning. No way you're not.
Order submitted.
If you're just beginning, or does the bot trade? No, the bot does everything for you. It gets you in the trade. It gets you out of the trade. It moves your stop loss. It trails the trade down. Like, I forgot that this trade was even happening, and the trail stop is still moving down. It's 10:28. I'm going to stay on a little longer today since I don't have a student session this morning. So if you want to hang out with me for a little bit longer, feel free. Scalper is also in a trade. Santa is in a long for $100. ES is in that short. I prefer the short. Yes, nightmare. I have a bunch of 65-year-old country guys that are doing this. I have a bunch of truck drivers, if you believe it, that actually do this. So they turn on the algorithm, they drive all day, and then they stop their trucks at night and they see how much money they made, which is awesome. Like, if that's not the epitome of passive income, I don't know what is. Jay Hannah said, I am one of those truck drivers. Yeah, I think I have about 3 of them now. Let's just make a whole truck driver group, okay? I'm all for it. They don't have questions. They don't give any attitude. They don't cry when there's a loss. Truck drivers are the best. They post their results when they get to their station for the night.
Order filled. Order submitted.
I love it. They're literally awesome. And thank you for also providing products that I probably use every single day. Like, one of my truck drivers does a lot of like fry oil and stuff to McDonald's, and I'm like, oh, you are really doing God's work, okay?
Order submitted.
Are you in Vegas? Who's in Vegas right now? I need to go to Vegas. Jen, I'm going to pin this. Thank you. All right, still in this ES short. What else is happening around town? 2 for 2 on NQ. Gold is 2 for 2. Oil is 0 for 2. He's just saying he's driving.
Order filled.
William said, not old people ES making money. I know. I talk so much trash about ES. For real. For real. It's 10:31. Let's go. Let's get a bigger drop here. This is the thing, too. When you trade futures and not stocks, you can make so much more money. The market going up, down, like, it doesn't matter. Give me either direction. I just want it to move, and I'm going to make money. As long as it's not sideways and bullshitting, I'm going to make money. Listen, I have to watch my mouth because any type of little curse word I say, TikTok thinks I'm like the anti-hero. You're on TikTok probation for life. They don't want to see me shine, Evie. All right, green at $912 on this short. Sorry, I'm answering questions in the group off to the side. That's why I'm typing a good amount. Kyle, it's the 1st to the 5th and the 15th to the 20th. Oh my gosh. That's so weird though. Why wouldn't they do like the end of the month? Well, I guess because the 1st is the end of the month. All right, how are we doing? Still $900. Obviously, I could just close this out if I wanted to. Like, I could take this stop loss. I could move it down. Whatever. But I'm just going to let it trail. I'm just going to let it do its job. Are we in anything else right now? No. Drop.
Order canceled.
Drop. Thanks for the follow. Again, we go live every day, 9:30 to 10:30, and then 2 to 3 p.m. So we'll be live also this afternoon from 2 to 3 p.m. Jen, my co-pilot, will be live. She's much more fun than I am. She's a very outgoing. And, yeah. So make sure you join her live this afternoon.
Order submitted.
And she'll be showing you some fire trades because I know we're going to get some action this afternoon. All right, $1,000 on this ES short now on Bold Wave. Again, this is being tested because I have not released this algorithm to the group yet. But it's exciting nonetheless because, hello, who doesn't want to see a big trade happen?
Submitted.
Boo, 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 boo. Let's give some emojis to our friends in the results channel. If you're in the group, just go click some of those fun little emojis and let's celebrate each other. It's so fun. Look at Brent. Brent traded $1,600 on all of his Apex accounts by taking my mentorship. 3,000, 6,000, 9, 12, 15, $16,000. $16,000 by 10:30 a.m. Oops, you guys can't see that.
Order canceled.
Tap, tap, tap. Tap, 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 tap. Tap. Just keep tapping. Let's get some eggs, some bacon, some mentorship, some books. He's reading his books, people, okay? He's doing the homework. He's a graduate. I'm going to give him the little graduate icon. We're still in this short, $900. See, making money can also be boring because it's like, oh, this is so boring, but I'm also making $900 on this one trade with one contract.
Order canceled.
Ooh, it moved down a little more. Did you see that? It moved down a little more. Bougie. All right, I'm going to get off of here soon. My admin needs to jump on and give some people some access. I think we had 2 new people join while on the call, which is awesome. So excited to have you guys. There's 200 people in this group. Love all of you. All right. We are still going. ES is green, almost $1,100 on the short. And we'll be back at 2 to 3 p.m. Ooh, are we about to hit my target for the day, Laura? Are we about to hit my target for the day? Let's go. Not that close yet, but we're going to keep going because, you know, because I called it this morning. $1,075 on this short, and the trail is still moving down. The P&L is at the top here because our trade is so far below us at this point. Nice job, Laura. Look at Laura. 1, 2, 3, 4. What's that? $5,000 on the day. Nice job.
Order submitted.
All by 10:30 a.m.
Order canceled.
You guys are killing it, and that's the thing. You're not risking much, if like really anything, with Apex, but the possibilities are honestly endless. Because if you have 10 or 20 accounts and you can just make, like these people are making, $1,000 a day, $500 a day. That is huge money month over month. Like huge, huge money. Obviously you have to pay taxes on it, but it's still huge. Make sure you guys, when you start withdrawing, make sure you put some money aside for taxes. You don't want to be bombarded come February of 2024. All right, I'm going to get off of here. Jen will be back at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Please set yourself an alarm. Be around. Give her some support. Answer some questions to people that have them in the chat. That's always super helpful. And have a great day. And be safe. And don't overtrade. All right. Bye, guys. Thanks for joining. See you tomorrow at 9:30. But we'll see you at 2 today. And then tomorrow morning.
Order submitted.
All right, YouTube. I'll be back tomorrow morning at 9:30. I hope you guys have a good day.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted.
All right, bye, YouTube.